Subitising is more than simply counting dots or objects. It's a gateway really to understanding numbers. When kids master subitising, they grasp how numbers relate with each other. This makes tackling maths problems a breeze. Think of subitising as a speed boost really for counting. By recognising small groups of objects without counting, kids can move through larger quantities with increasing accuracy. It's like having a shortcut that helps children count without losing track. We see this all the time in English. Children are taught phonics and to recognise the sound instantly. Subitising can work in a similar way, to know that 3 is 3 without counting. And so to supercharge this, you might want to start small with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and build from that really strong foundation. Ensure that you mix materials, dots, blocks, fingers, switch it up to make it exciting, quick and diverse. Make it playful, games and songs and engaging activities to turn subitising into a maths adventure for our youngest children. And make sure that you guide children with feedback to learn from their mistakes and to really sharpen their subitising skills. And we may want to consider making some pedagogical power moves. Timing here is key. Start early and start when the children are young, but progress gradually with complexity. Perfect practice makes perfect. Allow ample practice suited to each child's needs. The materials that you use matter. Pick materials that sync with the age of the children that you're teaching and their interests. And assessment, evaluate skills by asking the children to subitise through games or worksheets or practical activities. Once children have mastered the basics, we might want to start and level up subitising and ask children how they see it. For example, the number 5, if we think of a dice configuration of the number 5, how do children see that? Do they see that as 4 and 1, or the composition of 3 and 2, or 5 and 0? And really thinking deeply about subitising and the concepts that sit behind the composition of number. So there we have it with subitising. Start small, aim big, and watch the math skills of our youngest children really begin to soar.